Hi, I'm Jen Long, Creative Director at Sizzix, and we're taking a look at our Sizzix Sidekick starter set. This is a great entry-level machine. It's portable, it's easy to use, but don't let the small size fool you because you can make a ton of stuff with this starter kit. It comes with our Sidekick machine. It comes with this beautiful hand-drawn stamp set, framelits that work with all the stamps, and even a couple bonus framelits, and 2 embossing folders, so you can actually cut and emboss with this machine. To get started, the first thing that you're going to do is attach this little foot position in the down spot, and that's going to stabilize your little machine here. It's not going to go anywhere. I'm going to use some of the stamps that are included in the starter kit, and I'm just going to stamp on my piece of paper. Now for cutting on the Sidekick, you're going to use 2 aqua pads. So I'm just going to set up the stamp in the framelit. I have this phrase with a circle, and I have this little decorative banner that works with this tag shape. And I'm going to finish my sandwich, and I'm going to roll that right through the machine. You can see that we've cut out a perfect circle around our thank you phrase, and we've cut out a cute little banner that has a great stamp accent along the top of it. Now for embossing, you're going to use one of your gray pads with one of your cutting pads. And you're going to put a piece of paper inside your embossing folder, and you're going to build up your sandwich using these 2 pads. And you're going to roll that through your Sidekick machine the very same way. And you can see clearly how Happy Birthday has embossed beautifully on that piece of paper. Let's take a look at some of the projects that we've made here. Look at this. We were actually able to make a shaker card using the embossing folder that we just used right in the middle, and this decorative rose stamp is included in the stamp set. Look at this beautiful hand-drawn heart rose flower set. And lastly, the phrase hello on that very same circle that we cut out the thank you with. So there are a ton of options for making and creating, all using the Sidekick starter set.